Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm sorry I haven't been around lately. I've been rewatching Skins. Oh my gosh, I forgot how amazing that TV show is, and especially how amazing the theme song is. I can't listen to that theme song without just dancing and pretending I'm in a montage. But as I was rewatching, I realized how much I needed the internet now. Because as soon as something dramatic or sad happened, I logged into Tumblr right away, like without even thinking about it. Just like I have skills of logging into Tumblr and record speed, okay? Because you see now, whenever something sad or dramatic happens in any TV show I watch, I can just go and rant with the rest of the internet. But before we had Tumblr or various other social media sites, what did we do? I can't really remember a time that I didn't have a Tumblr. Well, I guess I didn't always have a Tumblr. I mean, when I was 9, I didn't. But like, seriously, I should have had one, because that Sweet Life with Wizards of Waverly Place with Hannah Montana crossover, that was awesome. And I probably needed to talk to people about it, but I just didn't know how. So I was just sitting there like, what do I do? What do I do? What do I do? But seriously, we don't talk about that enough. I mean, BBC would never do that, but that would be awesome if they did that. But seriously, as long as I've had an internet connection, I think I've always been talking about TV shows or whatever with people. Even when I was young and I just had a Stardoll, I would talk about like Hannah Montana on it. That's just always what I've done. Flashback to Stardoll. Did anyone else play on Stardoll? That was like my thing. I loved Stardoll. What did people do? Did they send each other letters about a new Friends episode? Like, wow, Joey and Chandler are so meant to be. Hashtag Chandler. I don't know. It must have been a pretty weird time. Or maybe people just weren't as crazy. It's a definite possibility. But I did do a little research and I thought this was very interesting. Tumblr was created in February of 2007, and Skins, the first generation, was created in January 2007, which means Tumblr was basically just made for people to talk about Skins. That's my theory, because I mean, look at the closest of when they're created, and Skins is basically like the ruler of the internet. It just is. Anyway, I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Also, subscribe to me if you're new to my channel, because I make lots of videos like this and you should totally check them out and subscribe so that you never ever miss a new video, and it's totally free, so why wouldn't you do it? Free stuff is awesome. Like free samples of cake. Rules. Yeah, and I really hope you guys liked this video. Also, I have various social media websites in the description box, so make sure to check them out if you want to follow me on Instagram or Twitter. Also, I have a question of the day for you. What is the TV show slash movie slash comic book slash video game that gets you all hyped up and makes you want to go on Tumblr? Tell me in the description so I can check them out and we can talk about them together, because I more than likely watch or play or read it. So yeah, I'm the ultimate nerd. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!